Believe it or not, I get asked all the time what the pictures are behind me, and I figured I would go ahead and do a dedicated video on it because I feel that they really show personality and they can add a nice touch to a room. This is my game room and it's almost finished, so you can expect a tour sometime in the near future. This wall art is from a company that goes by the name of Displate, and Displate's philosophy is pretty simple. Buy 3 Displates and you get free shipping. For every 1 Displate sold, they plant 10 trees, and if you return within 100 days, you get a 100% refund. Displate offers many different selections and a variety of different sizes, so if you kind of feel overwhelmed whenever you're picking one out, don't feel alone. The ones I have here are like a retro style movie poster type. However, like I said, there are many different ones to choose from. The Displates come very well packaged, and the packaging that they come in is pretty cool because it's covered in additional artwork. Displates are different than traditional posters since they're made of metal. They're designed by many different talented artists and feature certificates of authenticity stamped on the back of the Displate, and they're also signed individually. Despite those things, the biggest reason to pick up a Displate is for setup. The install process is extremely easy. Since the Displates are made of metal, they come with magnets that can attach to a wall with adhesive. This way the wall stays free of punctures and holes. I love this because it means swapping out Displates is a breeze and it gives me flexibility to switch things up how I see fit. The only thing to keep in mind is that the adhesive will rip wall paint and sometimes drywall off if not handled with care when it comes to peeling off the magnet. The actual artwork is very detailed and looks incredible on the wall. I do wish they had more size variations and maybe the ability to request a custom painting. In any case, when it comes to quality, they definitely scream it. Displates range from $44 for a medium size to $89 for larger sizes. These prices do vary based on which style and painting is picked, plus the measurements that come with that painting. Honestly, I love mine and I do plan on picking up a few more. That way I can, spice my room up and change it up however I want to, whenever I want to. I can definitely recommend it, and to me, it's the perfect wall art for any kind of setup. What do you guys think though? Let me know down in the comment section, as I love to hear back from you. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so for future content, and make sure you turn on notifications so you can be alerted when new videos drop. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and of course, I'll talk to you in the next one.